Hi everyone, I'm Miroslav Minic, literature teacher at Danograd Gymnasium in Montenegro. We live in a world where Antigona's courage is desperately needed. Our students are brave and determined to fight for the right values. With our pedagogical guidance, students will communicate their ideas, wishes and needs within their theatrical performance. Let's listen to the voice of the Mediterranean youth.
Hi everyone, my name is Lazar. I'm an acting student from Montenegro. I'm in my final year of studies, and I really do believe that theater and art in general can change the world. So being a part of a project like this, where I get a chance to empower young people in doing so, is something that makes me really happy.
I'm Jelena ďUKIĆ. I'm an actress from Montenegro. I believe that for young people, theater in education is a huge deal. And on the other hand, these young people need to be heard. And Antigona 2.0 is the right thing, so I'm really happy to be part of it.
Hello everybody, my name is MILOŠ and I have recently finished high school in Danilograd. Now I'm a student of civil engineering in Ljubljana in Slovenia. And I'm really happy that I'm in a project Antigona 2.0. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Irena Kandić from Podgorica and I'm 18. This year after high school I plan to apply for Faculty of Fine Arts to get my future artistic career on the right track and better understand the world of creative expression.
Hi everyone, my name is Filip Đuković, I'm 19 years old and I'm coming from Montenegro, Podgorica. I'm really thankful for being a part of this project Antigona 2.0 because through this I can discover some things about myself and actually grow as a person, which I think is a beautiful thing. And in honor of that, there's a beautiful saying that says being a part of something special makes you special. Well, I'm starting to think that maybe something is special because we as people are a part of it. Thank you.
My name is Vasilij Marnović. I study economy at the University of Montenegro. I'm a huge fan of culture and history and I love acting. Of course, I'm honored to be a part of this project.
Hi, my name is SAVO ŠĉEPANOVIĆ. I'm from Podgorica. Something about myself, I like video games, I like basketball, which explains why I have 6 feet in height, and I like acting, so hi.
Hello, my name is Nador. I'm 19 years old and I'm very happy to be part of a project like this that deals with the issues young people face, because obviously I'm very passionate about these things, and I couldn't be more happy and more honored that other countries in the Mediterranean are doing it as well. So thank you. Bye.